There is a psychological theory developed by Dr. Richard Schwartz. It's called Internal Family Systems, or IFS, and it views all people as inherently multiple. So you may have heard of dissociative identity disorder or multiple personality disorder. And this sort of views everyone as not having that, but that is sort of an inherent underlying aspect of people. The system talks a lot about different parts that each of us have in us. There are three major kinds of parts that develop at different points in our lives, often from trauma. So there's a group called the exiles. Exiles are parts of ourself that usually under a lot of stress or in a traumatic situation, those parts hold pain, and the rest of our system tries to hide them from us because we're more functional according to our system when we are not actively thinking about our trauma. Another group of parts are called manager parts. They are what kind of do the executive functioning for us. They keep us organized and regulated and trying to take care of everything. And they are more worried about how we're perceived by other people. And then there are firefighters, which they come on board when we are unable to use organization to manage our feelings and to keep our exiles in check. And firefighters are often eating chocolate to feel better, or scrolling on your phone, whatever, to try to escape the bad feelings. They fight the fires of those exiles coming up and trying to express feelings that are difficult to deal with in everyday life. And then there's the self, which each of us has within us, and when we work with our parts to unburden them, to remove shame around them, we are better able to access our true self. So this is just a theory, but it's really interesting, and I've seen it work in my own life, in my own therapeutic journey. So if you're interested, definitely check out IFS, Internal Family Systems.